Welcome back. We're continuing the news. A young Jamaican is preparing to take her place on the global stage, representing the island in a mission aimed at empowering the next generation of female scientists and space explorers. Yanique Williams has the details in this evening's edition of The Ray of Hope.
For many young girls, the stars are something to admire. But for Alia Reid, they represent endless possibilities. She has been selected to represent Jamaica in Mission ShakthiSAT Phase Two, the world's first all-girl satellite mission, bringing together more than 12,000 participants from 108 countries. The program, to be held in India from August 22 to 31, is designed to inspire young women to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, better known as STEM. Mission ShakthiSAT is built on the belief that education creates opportunity, empowerment builds confidence, and exploration shapes the future. But for Alia, the opportunity is about more than personal achievement.
I've been interested in space since as young as I can remember. It was the only thing that I was really interested in growing up. There were a lot of fields that were presented to me, for example, law, medicine, geophysical jobs. None of them really interest me as space did. It captivated me. I always knew that I wanted to work in the space industry. I just didn't really know what part exactly. And when I did the course, it solidified that I wanted to be an aerospace engineer. I want to build more satellites and more rockets like this in my future.
With a dream of hopefully building satellites one day, this mission is about showing young girls that they too can dream beyond the limits of what they see today and one day become scientists, engineers, and innovators helping to shape humanity's future.
My main goal right now is to ensure that the knowledge or the information that was given to me during the course, I'm making sure that I study that adequately so that when I actually go there, I know what I'm doing and to mitigate human error risks.
The mission will also expose participants to India's scientific advancements while celebrating cultural exchange and international collaboration.
One of my main goals for going there is to actually form long-term bonds with the people that I meet and some of the experts so that they can guide me going into industry in the future.
As Jamaica's flag joins those of more than 100 nations, Alia hopes her journey will inspire others to believe that no dream is too big. Because sometimes reaching for the stars begins with believing you belong among them.
I'm actually really excited because this is my first step or a major step of me even entering my dream industry. Being this knowledge, I can take it further. I can take it further to apply it to other missions or other things related to aerospace that I'm a part of, actually.
A proud moment for Jamaica and a reminder that the next great discovery could begin with the dream of a young girl. With your Ray of Hope, I'm Yanique Williams.